Hello, it's Rob and Maria. Today we wanted to do a quick follow-up about the Crowdstrike earnings play that Maria did earlier today. Let's take a look at it. It's 10:05 in the evening. Our dog wants to go to bed.
So if you recall, I said to do the 480, and we were hoping to get $6. Unfortunately, the premiums were not as juicy as I had anticipated. And I did wait. I didn't get in until 3:50, a minute to go, 30 seconds to go, actually. So I was waiting for that premium, but it didn't really come. But I did two of them because I didn't get enough money.
So you did a 487.50, 480. So tomorrow, let's say right now it's trading at 507. Say it opens tomorrow above 480. What's the game plan?
I would say, depending on you, if I'm going to hang in there. If it's anything above 490 and above, I'm going to hang in there and see if I can bleed this out a little more so I can get some more money. If it's at 482, 480, I'm going to get out.
And
on that one, for 487 to 487, I didn't talk about that with you guys. I went ahead and just did another one there.
And this is your kind of practice account, but still it's important.
Yeah.
And it's real money. It is
right.
Definitely real money. The other thing is that let's talk a little bit about NVIDIA and kind of how pigs get fat and hogs get slaughtered.
Mm-hmm. If you recall the last time on NVIDIA, when it opened, it skyrocketed. And then around 10 o'clock, I had gotten out at the beginning, which I was lucky.
71%,
then around,
sweet.
Yes. And then around 10 o'clock, it just took a total reversal. It dumped.
I told her that she was getting out way too early and there's no reason for giving up on 29% profit. And I was 100% wrong.
Right. So you never know which ways these things are going to go. Again, if you're happy with the money when you get up tomorrow morning, if it's good, just take your money and go.
All right, that's all for now. Good luck in your trading. We'll talk to you again soon.
Bye.